this? What kind of place is this?
What's up, everybody? It's me, Kid Wakanda, and we're back. In case you didn't notice from the meme earlier, I live in Arizona, and it's hot. It's really hot, and so I haven't really worked on the car for 6 months. Oh boy! But it's not just due to it being hot; it's actually due to some health issues that happened way back in March, and I physically was unable to actually work on the car. So this is just an update to tell you all where I'm at and how things are going and what's going to be happening. So far, as of right now, just waiting on the engine wiring harness, and from there, I want to say thank you to and by Sean for helping me with that. Also, just got to do or procure other things such as the ECU, and gotta just get like the nuts and bolts of things, like an intake manifold, yada yada yada. I don't have the list in front of me to tell you all, but I do thank you all for tuning in and still being around, for those of you who are actually watching this, and I thank you very much for that and showing your support in any way, shape, or form by leaving a like or a comment or something. That's really all I could ask for, nothing else. Just to say thank you for tuning in into this journey of mine as a newbie in the car world of trying to make my own car. Something I've always wanted to do as a kid. And from there, I hope that you continue to stick with me every time I upload a video of what's going on and what I'm doing with the car. It's not much longer. Soon it'll be fall out here, and it'll be cool enough and I can go outside and work on this thing without touching the car and burning my hand. And I hope you all are enjoying this, and I hope everything's okay with this update. Just to let you know, things are coming along. They're coming along, and I'm excited. My friend who's going to help me is excited. We can't wait to get this thing up and running and driving, and also teaching me how to drive a manual, because I've never driven a manual. But hey, first time, there's a first time for everything, so go from there. And thanks you all, and hopefully I'll have something out soon. All right, bye.